Hey love, so if you want to learn how to install your wig like this, all I'm going to say is keep watching. But other than that, welcome to my channel. You'll be getting a step-by-step video of how to install your wig beginner friendly. Okay, so I'm not doing much talking in this video. However, you will still learn just because it's going to be better to watch. But yeah, all I did so far was just simply put my hair in a ponytail. You can braid your hair, you can slick it back and do whatever to install your hair. Just make sure it's flat. But I did that. I slicked my edges back and I put my HD cap on. Right now I'm going in with my Ruby Kids Cream Foundation shade 11. And I'm scrubbing that all over my cap. I highly recommend putting it all over. Even if you're doing a frontal wig, a closure wig, a T-part wig, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you put that makeup all over. It don't really matter to put it in the back just because, well, it depends. If you're doing a 360 wig, then put it all around. But if not, then just put it on the front, you know. But after that, I just simply push my wig cap forward and I'll pull it back just so I can make sure I gather all my edges in under the wig cap. After that, I go in with my alcohol pads and I clean up all the glue that was left around my forehead when I was putting my makeup on my cap. So yeah, here you see all of it I cleaned off. I let it air dry, but here's the wig I got off Amazon. This is the second time me ordering it and it came pretty nice. After that, I flip my wig inside out. I apply the makeup to my lace. Yeah. Okay, so once I put this wig on my head, I say make sure you adjust it to your liking. Like, sometimes I be putting my wig too far forward or too far back, and it be making me so mad. But if you got a wig band or wig combs in the back, make sure you put them down if you don't want your wig to go nowhere. But yeah, that's why I'm squinting my head up so I can see if I got it too far forward or back. But yeah, it seems about right. So right now I'm gonna start part of my part out. I say when you're doing your part, make sure you use a hot comb and make sure you use slick stick just so you can define your part even better. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do here. I'm not really putting my wig cap too forward just because I feel like once you push your wig cap a little back, it gives a more natural hairline. So yeah, I'm gonna come with my hair back so it won't be stuck to my lace once I spray the glue onto it, once I glue it down. I'm not really a perfectionist, but my wig gotta be perfect. Anything about me, it has to be perfect or I'm gonna complain. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm spraying this Eben glue. I think that's the name. I'm spraying that on there. I like the black can better than the other cans they have, like red and all that. But I'm spraying that on there and I'm dampening it at the same time. And the reason why I do that is so I can melt the lace or so the glue can't be in one spot, you know. But yeah, I let it air dry before applying a band or wig wrap. Well, I don't know the name of that. But before I apply that, I let it air dry, and as it air dry, I push my lace down so it can melt into my skin. Don't push too hard though, or you might just get your comb or whatever you're using stuck to it. I go in with this spritz I also got off Amazon for like $10, but they got one cheaper for that. It's just the one I chose. it's $10. But yeah, I let that air dry. I don't even think I used a blow dryer. Like, I really didn't need a blow dryer because my glue dries so fast, literally. But yeah, trust the process. We get in there. You see me hot combing again just because I say that you must just hot comb your hair before you put that wig band on. It's gonna melt your lace. It's gonna have it looking like that is your real hair, girl. Can't nobody tell you anything. Straight up out the scalp. But yeah, I'm going in with my oil sheen. I just started doing this, but I'm going in with my oil sheen before I start flat ironing my hair. My hair is still wet because I literally was rushing to work. Like, I was like 2 hours to work because I'm trying to get cute. But yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. It is nothing wrong with that. But I just should have did it earlier. Okay, but right here, I'm finna start styling my hair. I'm just fast flat ironing. It's not gonna be bones great, but I can show y'all how to do that too. But it's not gonna be bones great because like I said, I'm rushing to work right now. But yeah, right here, I'm making sure I get my hair all flat up there because it ain't gonna be too lumpy now. I ain't do all this for nothing. So yeah, we don't like fat wigs. I mean, my wig was a little fat, but it was cute. All I gotta do is just flat iron it somewhere. So yeah, we get in there. Trust it. Trust the process, like I said. When you flat iron your hair, I say not only use oil sheen, but use slick stick. Not a lot. I hate when people use a lot. I'm sorry. Their hair be looking all wet but straight. Like, I don't know. Look like you get rained on. But yeah, right here, I'm parting my part out. And I'm ripping it. Because it's honestly better, but it's like you risking your wig to get holes in it. But I feel like it's better and it's quicker. So I part my part. I ripped it. I ripped out the hairs that I don't need in my part. I put makeup all right there. Just fill your part land with makeup. Cut you out a what is it? Hold on. Cut you a hair tie. I'm sorry, I've been ranting. Cut you out a hair tie. Put that on your mouth. Put that in between your part. Make sure you covering your edges up. And spray that part with black spray. Look at that. Perfect. So perfect I can be a barber. I'm so rich I bring a barber in the club. I could be a barber. Okay, but right now I'm finna do my edges. Because I keep doing all this talking. That's all I do is talk. That's why I say y'all just watch the video. But it's going to be helpful though. It's going to be helpful in the end. But make sure y'all stay focused. Gotta stay focused. But yeah, I'm cutting my edges. Usually I curl them after I cut them before I lay them down. But cut your edges, go in with some mousse, and swoop your edges to your liking. And then, once you swoop your edges to your liking with the mousse, go in with some glue if you want it molded down. If you want them fluffy, then just go in with the mousse to get them TikTok fluffy edges. That's all. Then comb them when they dry a little bit, you know. This gonna take a minute, y'all. I be scrolling with my edges, and I hate when one bigger than the other or one thicker than the other. I know. But yeah, this is gonna take a while, but just stick with me. It don't make no sense how long it takes for me to do my edges. I almost didn't cry. But practice make perfect. You will get better at installing your wigs, and I will get better at simply moving faster when it comes to doing my edges. If that makes sense. You get it. Because I get it. But y'all, this is the final look. I look so good. I look good. I look good. My God. My Lord. Oh my. Oh me. Oh my. My bad. Period.